Iggy?
And he'll make you the most popular person on the internet.
Go on.
Yeah.
If I were a bird, I would sing a song and fly about the...
Some water, too. Let's go!
On his farm had some cows, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. You're...
Make a postcard of the sea. Yes! Goldie the fish likes one.
Can't wait to get one.